There are many situations where quick decisions have to be made. Many people are skilled in this matter and many people make wrong decisions at this time. This later caused a lot of damage. But there are some things that will help you make a quick decision. Understanding this situation and making a decision. Understand this situation and decide accordingly. We need to find out the importance of the decision. The less important things are, the less time you have to spend and the more complex decisions you have to make. Aim 2. Goals must be kept in mind when making decisions. You just have to be more discriminating with the help you render toward other people. We have to keep the goal in mind and keep the possibilities in mind and proceed accordingly. Collecting relevant information. Prioritize your choices before making any decisions. Keep yourself updated all the time. It will be easier to make a decision if you know your situation well. Think realistically. When making decisions, keep your emotions to yourself and think in terms of reality. Many times when we think with emotion, we regret something. So think on the basis of reality. If necessary, make a decision in consultation with believing people. Responsibility sharing. If you think that manual work is too much for one person, then share the responsibility. Give responsibility to the person who is good at it. Believing in yourself. You need logic and information to make a decision, but what you need to rely on is your insights. Even if you see that everything is going well, keep asking yourself whether it is good or bad.